Hi fellows, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Computer Education Pakistan. I know you all are very excited to learn a new topic today. Our topic is phonics, hard and soft sounds of C and G. Those words who do not follow these rules. Grade 3, Unit 2. So let's start. Do you know what phonics are? Phonics are a method of teaching people to read by correlating sounds with symbols in an alphabetic writing system, or we can say that phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children hear, identify, and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in the English language. Hard and soft sounds of C and G. Read me. When C or G is followed by A, O, or U, it makes a hard sound. A hard or G sound, for example, call and goat. When C or G is at the end of a word, it makes a hard sound, for example, pick and big. When C or G is followed by E, I, or Y, it makes a soft S or J sound, for example, receive, gesture. Some words do not follow these rules, for example, girl, get, and cello. Letter C, letter G, soft sound and hard sound. Dice, pencil, city, fence, face. Dice is a soft sound. Why is it soft sound? Because of C. Like pencil, city, fence, and face. Can, cat, curly, cone, and cow. These are hard sound because of C. Are hard sound. What are they? They are hard sound. Orange, pigeon, Jim, ginger, giant are soft sounds because of G. J. Hard sound. Gas, ring, gum, goat, and flag. G is a hard sound, so it is like gas. Those words who do not follow these rules. Cello, 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 cello. A large stringed instrument seated player holds it upright while playing. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe our channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. You can find similar videos like this on our channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Bye-bye. See you next time. Love you, my friends.